Hi, greeting from Honda Tech. Today I will introduce our water sensors with a floating system. And you can check it. First, there are 4 blue balls, and that balls is used for the floating of the system. And the second, and also to stable the whole system. And when you use it, you need to turn it off, turn it over. And you can make some water full in this tanker, in this blue ball, and then it can be more stable in the river or in the tank. Okay, and next I will introduce here. Here is the net, standardized steel net. It is used for to put the sensors put into this standardized net and to protect the sensor and not damaged by the others. Okay, and the other here is the standardized steel bracket, and that is to fix the balls and also the solar panels. And you can check it. In the bottom there are five solar panels, and the solar panel is 20 watt. Each is 20 watt, so the total can be 100 watt, and it's enough for the sensor to work around the last 7 or 10 days for the raining day, and so it can work perfectly. And also built in is the battery and the wireless module, and also the all kinds of sensors. And I will introduce in the next step. In the next step, I will introduce the blue float system, and you can check it. That is the floating ball, and for this ball there are 2 parts. The first part, that is the cover and to fix it. Second, here also is this there's another cover, and then you can take some water, and maybe it depends on your requirements, maybe one third of half of the bowl and full of water, some water, and then it can floating in the river and also not sinking to the bottom. Okay, after you put the water and then cover it, and after cover it, you can check it. Here are some screws here, and these screws can be fixed with our you can check it. That is a stainless steel bracket, and you just put it and then fix the screws, and also when come out, then fix this one. So that is the how to install all the blue ball. That's second step. Okay, the next I will introduce our water dual sensor with the wireless model, and you can check it. That is the standardized steel water dual sensor, and when you install it, you just remove this protector cover, and then it is based on the optical tab. And second, here is the wireless module, and for this wireless module, they can check it. There are 2 ports. The first port, it is for the antenna, and it is based on Wi-Fi antenna. And the second, it is the most for the config and spare part. And here is the connected the water dual sensor, and that is come out the water sensor. And here is the waterproof connector. When you connect it, just connect by this connector is okay, so it can work. And when you receive it, you just make the config and connect your Wi-Fi, and then it can send the data to our Magic Cloud server. And then you can see the real-time date in the website by logging the account and password, so you can see the real-time date. And that is the wireless system. Then how to install this wireless system and the sensor to our floating system, I will give the briefly introduce. Okay, and next I will introduce how to integrate the wireless module with the solar panel system. And here is the water dual sensor, and the sensor are fixed by in this protected net, and it can be protect the sensor, avoid the damage. And then when you fix that by the screws here, and then you can connect it the sensor with the wireless module. First, the wireless module, you can check it, and we have resolved the connector here, and that is the waterproof connector, and you just connect it directly by the waterproof connector is okay. And then the wireless model will power on the water sensor, and also the water sensor the data will be sent from the sensor to the wireless model send the data to the cloud server and the software. And that is the antenna, and here is the footage of the DTU. No need to use this normally. And okay, I've introduced the power system. The 5 solar panel and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bottom 5 solar panel are connected by one solar controller. You can check it. It is the solar controller. And for the solar controller, and this one connected by the solar panel. This one connected the battery. And here is the chargeable battery. So what you need to do is connect it here. First, the solar panel need to charge the battery, and that is the battery port. Here is the solar controller. You just connect it. Then the solar panel will charge the battery, and the second, the battery will power on the wireless DTU, and you just connect it. You can check it. Here is the power supply of the DTU, and what you need to do is just insert it. You can check it. Then the DTU is power on, so it can work directly. And this antenna just put into this waterproof is okay. After you connect it, all of them, and then what you need to do is, this is waterproof cover, and you just fix by the waterproof cover and fix by the screws. Then the whole system can work. Okay, and that is how to connection of the sensors whole system. If you have a problem, you just send us inquiry. Thank you.